How to connect your domain to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to connect your domain or your purchased domain from another platform like Namecheap, Hostinger, GoDaddy, whatever provider or hoster that you are going to have your account with. So I'm going to head over my account within Namecheap. So it is my registrar for there, so you can have it or have a domain uh, bought from Namecheap. It is going to be very cheap and also affordable. So we are going to get domains from $0.99 to 1.99, etc. So you're going to have your domain, and as you can see, this is the name of our domain. What we're going to do is to head over Squarespace next and head over our account dashboard. So you need to sign in for an account, do that, and after that, you need only to set up the other, um, let's say here, steps. So we're going to wait for the dashboard to load up. Then we are going to choose a website that we're going to connect. So as you can see here, we have the websites that we have created. So I am going basically to choose one of them. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click on it and wait for the dashboard of it to load up, or the Squarespace website builder to load up. Once you have your website ready, just like that, what we're going to do from here is basically to head over the parameter of the website. So we are going to head over the settings. And from here, we are going to head over the left side of the screen. As you can see, we have the website availability and etc. We have the second menu item, which is going to be well known as domain and emails. So we're going to select from here the domain. As you can read, register and manage domains from Squarespace or other domain sellers. We're going to select this. And as you can see, this is the built-in domain from Squarespace. It is going to be a temporary domain. We're not going to get a domain, but in case you are going to buy it from scratch on Squarespace, you can go ahead and click on here. But if you're going to have a third-party platform or hoster domain, click on use a domain I own. So we're going to type in the name of our domain. We're going to head over the hoster of ours, and we're going to head or copy and paste the domain of ours. So this is for me in my case. Now we're going to paste it right there and click on the arrow. It is going to be verifying the domain. As you can see here, we have the domain registration with the name of the hoster and also the date that has been registered to. You can either transfer the domain, which is recommended, but I'm not going to do that because I want my domain to be managed only on Namecheap or other providers that you're going to have, or connect a domain just like that. And this is the demanded in our today's video. Click on connect. Now we are going to have, let's connect your Namecheap or Namecheap domain. So personal setup, experience, connect domain. So either you are going to click on get started, or you're going basically to click on use DNS records. So for the most simplest ones, we can go ahead and click on use, as you can see here, the records. So we are going to select the provider, click on connect domain. So it's connecting to your site, click on connect, and these are going to be in here. So these add these records to your domain in Namecheap. So what are we going to do? As you can see, we have a lot of records, so we are going to add them one by one. So we have the required data and the current one. We are not going to look for the current ones, but we are going to add the host, the type, the required data. So here we're going to start by the type. So we're going to head over our advanced to the DNS hoster, and we're going to add a new record. So we're going to delete the Shopify one. I'm going to delete this one. Here also this one, I'm going to delete all of the previous ones because we do not need it anyway. So I'm going to also delete this. I'm going to have this deleted. Now we are going to add some new records. The first record that we are going to add is a CNAME, then another CNAME. So the first CNAME is going to be right there. So we are going to have the host. So we are going to click to copy CNAME. We're going to paste the host and the target, which is going to be from here, the required data or the target. Copy it, paste it. Now for the let's say our TTL, or as you can see the time that it will take, let it as automatic. So this is the first thing. We're going to wait for a few seconds and we're going to add another CNAME as mentioned here. We have 3Ws as a host. We have a target of this. We are going to click on it and we're going to paste it right there. We're going also to click on save changes. Wait for it. Boom. We have saved two CNAME records, which is demanded right there. Now we are going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 A records. So we are going to have here the A records. Click on add a record. The host, we are going to have each one individually. So we are going to have the at. So we are going to have this IP address. Copy and paste those. Boom. Click on save changes. This is the first one. Now we are going to add an A record. I'm going to let you see here the process. So we are going to have it just like that. Finally, another A record. So here we have the three left. So I'm going only to copy and paste the IP addresses. Boom. This is the first one. Now let's head over here. First, second, third one. Third one here. Save. And the last one is just right there. So we're going to add it in here. And we're going to save it just like that. Boom. Here we have it. Now we're going to refresh the page and make sure that everything is saved normally. So everything is saved. So we have a, I think, show more. Let's see here. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is it. Now what are we going to do? We are going to refresh the records. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records found. And one is going to be not found yet, which is going to be this one, I think. No, this one, CNAME with W's. It is going to refresh. After a few refreshes, you're going to find it right there. So as you can see, everything is found. Now we are going to click on view website, and it is going to take a little bit of time to reconsider everything, and it is going to be just right there. So boom, I'm going to have here this website visited. So we are going to refresh maybe some couple times and until it is going to work out normally. So it is going to take a little bit of time. This connection is not here, as you can see, private. Doesn't matter. You need only to refresh until you are going to get your website ready. So that was how you can go ahead and add or connect your domain. It is going to be very easy. If you're going to head over here, as you can see, the connection is in progress. Own another domain, for example, and then you're going to have your website or something else added just like that. You're going to verify it. So we are going to connect the domain, and then we are going to have everything set up. So basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.